If a part of you still feels somewhat safe with this person and like a connection is still possible, take the chance if it feels worth doing so. Too many times people let their pride get in the way of accepting and allowing people back into their lives because they're scared to get hurt again. The thing is sometimes we fail to forget that people go through their own mental battles every day. Does it justify the fact that they distance themselves? No. But if they truly show that they've grown in some way and are willing to fight for you again, I would definitely say to take the risk. This is seriously how some of the best relationships grow, and that's because when the person who distanced themselves in the first place obviously felt your absence. With that absence, they realized, okay, I do not want this. They realized, like, you contributed a big part into their life. Just make sure you keep in mind some of the patterns they've shown you in the past. They might run when things get hard. These are just little things that can be fixed through communication and just more time together.